Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another fall decorate with me video, guys. Today I'll be decorating my fall coffee bar area for fall, so come along. If you haven't done yours yet, let's do it together and let's get inspired. Let's motivate each other and let's get our little coffee bar area all fall festive for the season, okay? So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go right ahead, hit that subscribe button, become a part of the Decor and DIY family. I would love to have you here. Share my videos with your family and friends. Of course, I don't mind. And guys, give this video a thumbs up. And also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the fall coffee bar. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, my beautiful friends, so I've already cleaned my coffee bar area off camera. So now I'm going to start decorating first using these beautiful placemats purchased from the Dollar Tree this year. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful, beautiful marble tray with gold handles. And if you see the details on this handle, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be placing it right in front of my two-tier stand. And as you can see, I'm placing another piece of marble right beside my two-tier stand. That's where I'm going to be putting my canisters. I'm putting these beautiful gold spoons right on the side. For now, I might move it around because you know how it goes sometimes when you're decorating. You got to play around with it. Get it right. So this beautiful pumpkin cup, I'm going to be placing it on my coffee maker. I'm going to go in with this beautiful canister purchased from TJ Maxx, and I use this to hold, as you can see, all my teas. This other canister was purchased also from TJ Maxx, and I'm using this to hold my crackers. And this stuff I have here all year round. I'm going to go in with this beautiful DIY fall floral arrangement, and I'm going to be placing it right there. This beautiful kitchen towel was purchased from the Dollar Tree this year that I'm going to be placing, well, still trying to figure out where I should put it. I normally put it on top of my coffee bar, but let's see. Coffee maker, sorry. This beautiful gold and white teapot was purchased from Home Goods, and I'm placing it right there on my tray. This is a DIY canister, guys. The cover for that was actually a base from a sugar container that I had that broke. I'm using the base as a cover on this Dollar Tree jar. It looks absolutely amazing in my eyes. Please comment down below, let me know what you think. So I'm putting a canister with my tea bags right here. I think it makes better sense to have all the canisters at the same place. And now I'm going to go in with my DIY floral right in front of the canister right there. I think this looks absolutely amazing. I am now going to go in with my sugar container right on top of my marble tray right there beside my teapot. And I think this looks good right there. But I'm still playing around with my decor, like I say, to just make sure I have the right design. You know, I always say, play around with your decor, make sure you get the right design. As long as it feels good to you, then you have the right design, the right look. So sometimes in decorating, that's what we have to do. And yeah, just fool around with it until we get it right, right? So now I'm looking for some form of wood to warm up the area. So I'm thinking of putting this Marta right there, but nah, I said no, it's not gonna look good. So I'm gonna go with these beads from the Dollar Tree that I purchased last year. I'm gonna be using them right here. It says thank you, and I think it's suitable for the coffee bar, being that it has blue on it, and the placemats also has blue on it. So guys, I accidentally broke this beautiful turkey butter dish. Oh my god, I picked up something, it fell right on top of it and it got broken, guys. But I'm gonna be using it for the season, and after the season I'll just get rid of it, or maybe get rid of the base but keep the top for something else. I don't know, but I want to still go ahead and use it and turning it this way so that nobody can see it. But yeah, such a beautiful butter dish. I purchased this for $5 a couple of years ago at the Bullseye Playground at a Target. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out where I should put it. Where's the best place to put it? So once again, I'm here fooling around, playing around with the decor, moving things around, and to make sure I get the right design. So I'm going to go in with these beautiful mugs purchased from the Dollar Tree this year. And I'm placing them on my two-tier stand right here. That's where I normally put my mugs. I also have 2 more mugs with sunflower handles. Absolutely beautiful, that I'm thinking I want to use to match up with my floral arrangement. So guys, here I go again. I'm moving that turkey butter dish. So I'm gonna go in and put this cute little dish under the bottom of my two-tier stand, along with this cute little container that I purchased from the Home Goods. So now I'm going in with my gold sunflower handle mugs. I'm going to be placing them right there on my two-tier stand, and I think this looks absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the look of this so far. If you're still with me in the video, please go ahead and drop me comments down below. Let me know what you think of my video. Let me know what you think of the decor pieces, the cups, and the color scheme that I use. Guys, this absolutely gorgeous, beautiful knife with the flower handle detail I purchased along with the tray that I have the canisters on. They came together as a set for only $10. I kid you not. When I saw it, I grabbed it fast. I think that was a steal. I purchased that from Home Goods. So let me show you a quick little vignette just to give you an idea of how you could set up your own vignette in your kitchen. So this beautiful vase was purchased from the Home Goods this year, and I bought it because it matches well with my trays. As you can see, the flower gold details. I'm going in with these Dollar Tree pumpkins inside of it. I wish they were smaller, but I'm using what I have. So this beautiful flowers I've had since last year, and I'm loving the color for fall. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. Then I'm going to be putting down my little, what is this, a creamer or a gravy boat with a pumpkin inside. And then I'm putting in a Dollar Tree pumpkin right there. And I think it turns out absolutely beautiful for fall vignette. Please comment down below, let me know what you think. So my beautiful friends, here is the finished product. I do hope you love it. Please drop me your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share my videos with your family and friends. It means a lot to me, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. I love you all. Please do enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm going to be showing you the reveal. Well, my beautiful friends, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.